How to convert Google Play balance into a redeem code, reality and official truth. If you are searching for a way to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code, this video will explain the real truth, what is possible, and what is not allowed officially. Let's start with an important clarification. Google does not allow converting Play Store balance into a redeem code. There is no official feature that lets you change your balance into a gift card or code. Any website, app, or video claiming instant Play balance to redeem code is fake or a scam. Now let me explain why. Google Play balance is non-transferable. Once money is added to your Google Play account, it can only be used for apps and games, in-app purchases, subscriptions, movies, books, and digital content. It cannot be withdrawn as cash, converted to gift cards, sent to another Google account. Now let's talk about what you can do legally. Official and safe alternatives. First option, use balance for subscriptions. You can use your Play balance to pay for YouTube Premium, Google One, in-app subscriptions, streaming services available on Play Store. Second option, buy apps or in-app items. If you don't want the balance, you can still use it for premium apps, game items. Paid features. Third option, family library, limited sharing. Some paid apps or movies can be shared with family members using Google Family Library. This does not convert balance into a code, but it lets others benefit legally. Now let's talk about what you should avoid. Do not trust apps claiming to generate redeem codes from balance. Do not enter your Gmail details on third-party websites. Do not install mod or hacked apps.
Do not believe Telegram or WhatsApp Play balance converter bots.
These methods can steal your Google account, get your account permanently banned. Because loss of balance. If someone says, I can convert your balance, it is 100% fake. To summarize, Google Play balance cannot be converted into a redeem code. There is no legal or official method to do this. The only safe way is to use the balance inside the Play Store. That's it. This video saves you from scams and account bans. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay connected for